Oh, Oleh, you're finally out of the airport and ready to start your new life in Israel. But before the adventure really begins, there's one important stop you can't miss. That's right, Misred Hapnim, getting your official Israeli ID, the Teudat Zehut. This little card is your key to everything. Opening a bank account, accessing health insurance, and using all kinds of government services. First, book your appointment through the My Visit website or app. Choose a date, time, and branch that works for you. Next, gather your documents. Bring your Teudat Oleh, your temporary Teudat Zehut, your passport, and passport photos if you want to get your Israeli passport during the same appointment. When you arrive at the branch, tell the staff you're a new Oleh. They'll help you with the forms and take your photo. You'll walk out with your Teudat Zehut and a sefach. That's the blue slip with extra details about you and your family. Keep both of them safe. Here's a helpful tip. You can usually request your Israeli passport at the same appointment. Just make sure you brought those photos. It can save you another trip. And here's a bigger tip to make your whole visit smoother. Branches in cities like Tel Aviv and Jerusalem are usually packed, and the appointments can feel rushed. If you want a calmer, faster experience, try booking your appointment at a branch a bit farther out. For example, up north or down south. These locations are less crowded, the staff have more time, and the whole process feels more relaxed. Plus, it's a great excuse to explore another part of Israel while you're at it. Once you're holding your Teudat Zehut, your sefach, and maybe even your new passport, you're officially ready to take the next steps in your Israeli journey. For more tips and guidance on all things Aliyah, visit allaboutaliyah.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.